for a happy birthday for Shapa. My Santamana Trinkwa and Yankoso. He said, I just some Santamedia and Ghana media name yourself and any part of Dona. Now, from every perspective, I take it from 2 different points of views. I take it as a young person. I'm an opportunity to meet Otu for how I used to see him. Now, actually, from any experience, who has that mighty kenner. In fact, you can only admire him from the backstage. And the Mekai and probably BBC consider TV show and now TV or Kasao video show on a TV show. Now, what feeling on the yes, you are Anna do mercy for me and you and like I said. Growing up, I've always wanted the opportunity to see him, even my nuclear saying,
Feely.
I never saw him in person. That's the honest truth. Until I became regional secretary for NDC. That was the first time when I Edmund and I consider I about my share. Saturday, last minute, I day. Mesatron and Salam Chian. Now you can imagine some coffee, as I and some of the
one person over cry.
You can be Yumuna. The chat with the free. So, in fact, I mean, I was introduced to him, but we could not get that personal working experience. So, Yabana, Yachuano, and all that. And for me, that was how. When I got closer, when I got to meet him, that was how the experience was. And at least, it was a day, now the motivation I made by say, your banner, your cockchair, political leaders in cockchair, I now acquainted with the results.
Once to have what enemy.
And after elections, when a deal Bobo Bonnie at the idea bank, and now Obika Gumas will say, what is on the national one or pill? No, say, Samu. Yes, I said I didn't know. No, it's a to the cup of the crime of us. Was it? I'm walking in the Panamini. We now couldn't share. But we say, you are Queen and the Ampa.
What I say? What's a panetta from crime, Mimity?
Only Bibia. Just say, wow, because I'm not a Rebecca. In fact, it will say yes. Crony and the Ampana, so man, retentive memory. As I'm an news, so I showed him a dear Boboas and to mine a dear Boboagan. And unfortunately, when I got the opportunity to work with him, in fact, I didn't take it lightly. But the things I've picked from him, yes, those say, Yadua Basebe Yujuma, if I was and to mine Ghana, or foul men, because we're who ministers are who who presidents are who when in the Bia a boano, when in the Bia a bediamani a bueno. And it's a wood scene and a wood scene ye padia. Most definitely, you should be one of the best of leaders. And I want to thank God for his life and thank him for Nabadaye. Me Nansa and me, you see, all fan coming leaders, no fan coming on my own, no de bois Ghana. Now, from the point as a regional minister in meetings, I am privy to know, which means we prove for me, dear, and then the more on AsanteheneAt76. In fact, and the Ghana, Ma Hodra Sono, Ubien and Home Faswa. Yes, we prove when Uncle say, oh man, a down. O man of what do no money mean no money Nelson because I'm never come time Sunday. No Coswa fan guidance and to my Ghana my NUSF in England. I hear Otu for a day as regional minister. And then as Otu for Nama. The original Otu for Nama I try to you I say. Uncle Poncos to know Shran. Now Uncle Swan on money than ye. Uncle Swan often in Yansan in India, no more. Now Santamani Ghana, you know, fan into Baperfa. And the long live the king and a happy birthday to His Royal Majesty Otu for Osei the second.
Honorable Warrior Medawas in Omra Wanya Yaminshao. Now, on a personal level, from me to you, oh boy, don't be distracted. Just be focused. Na Ebuana AsanteheneAt in Tumpong.
Medasipi Nakupon Shaw Susum.
One show. Yo, Abusia, many Dr. Frank Amoakohene, or no, and the regional minister, Asante region, Etritrin and Como.